9 pieces, 19 plan, 15 shades. Travel luggage organizers of different compression cell sizes get all your item types covered. Pack more of your luggages in limited space with different sizes, large bags for sweater, t-shirts, pants, medium bags for towels and underwear, small bags for shoes, toiletry, and accessories, respectively. Get organized and unpack convenience right away. Unleash your creativity. Carry on the smart cubes to turn overstuffed suitcase into neatly organized space. Try your combo with different bag sizes or colors for your next trip. Long trip abroad, business travel, family camping, or outdoor get-together is easier than ever. Premium high quality, featuring durable zippers that hold the bags together with firm stitches neatly aligned. Made with water-resistant material and breathable, lightweight mesh texture and foldable design. These cubes is a pro at every detail. Get packed and go is a fun plus. 100% resend product. Money back guarantee for any product quality issues. Click Add to Cart or Buy Now button right away to place your order. Worry-free. Ever tried zipping your suitcase only to sit on it for extra force? That was me last summer, sweating bullets before a family road trip. I packed for every possible scenario, beach, mountains, apocalypse, you name it. But my suitcase looked like a tornado hit it. Wrinkled shirts everywhere. Then my charger tangled with my underwear. Chaos. Pure packing chaos. Enter the hero. PACTIVE packing cubes. My travel game changed forever. These cubes compress clothes, separate items, and keep wrinkles at bay. Waterproof material? Check. Built-in straps? Check. Double ring zippers? Oh yes. Shoes, toiletries, electronics. Each gets its own bag. No more suitcase mayhem. Now I pack faster, fit more, and unpack without stress. It's magic. PACTIVE's 9-piece set is my secret weapon for organized, stress-free travel. Ready to ditch chaos and pack like a pro? Grab yours today.